Hi, Boss Seamstress here, and I have a poem for you. But before I read it to you, let me tell you what I hate. I hate when people come to work with full blown cold and they're coughing and they're sneezing and they're talking to people and they're touching stuff and they do not even have on a mask. Such disrespect, right? Okay, now for the poem. For the poem. It's called Tension. My thread keeps breaking. It's driving me mad. It's stupid and messy, and my fabric looks bad. Let me check the tension. I think it may be tight. Loosen the dial, and it will sew right. Now change the needle. It's probably too old. The fresh one is smooth, a needle of gold. Thank you. Have a blessed one. Keep a mask in your purse or your wallet. Have a blessed day.